Cerebral cortex is the wrinkled grey matter of the brain. It is also known as the cerebral mantle. Grey matter consists of nerve cell bodies, including end portions of nerves called dendrites. Dendrites are the parts of the nerve cell that receives the chemical message from another cell. In this diagram, you can see what white matter and grey matter is, and also what is dendrite, cell body, and axon. Cerebral cortex is grey because dendrites of nerve lacks the fatty covering material called myelin. White matter of brain is made up of bundles of axons, the long center section of a nerve cell that is wrapped in myelin. Myelin gives the tissue its whitish color. In this diagram, you can see what myelin sheath is. The wrinkles of cerebral cortex allow the cerebral cortex to have more surface area, which allows for more neurons and neural connections. Cerebral cortex is covering the brain, which is a thin layer about the thickness of an orange peel, which is less than quarter of an inch. In this diagram, you can see how the cerebral cortex is covering the brain. The cerebral cortex has two hemispheres, which is right hemisphere and left hemisphere, each of which has four lobes: occipital lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and frontal lobe. The two hemispheres are joined beneath the cortex by the corpus callosum. In this diagram, you can see how corpus callosum is connecting the two hemispheres of cerebral cortex. The cerebral cortex is the central area involved in learning, thinking, reasoning, problem solving, emotions, and processing of sensory information. It plays key roles in attention, perception, awareness, thought, memory, language, and consciousness. Cerebral cortex make up about half of a brain's total mass. It consists of 6 layers of nerve cells that contain between 14 billion to 16 billion nerve cells. In this diagram, you can see the 6 layers of nerve cells of the cerebral cortex.